Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and we're gonna slay. See how what I did there, make it rhyme. Here today, gonna slay. So yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop.
Okay, so I have this little palette here. Nothing fancy, nothing big. It's from Cara Beauty. It's called Party Girl. And she kind of looks like so. So we're just gonna go ahead and just play with her. Why not? That's came out kind of wrong, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go in with a T12, I think. T12. Let's go in with this shade right here. Oops. This shade. I got this from Marshalls and they were like $3.99. Were they $3.99? No, $5.99. I'm sorry. They were $5.99. So these are like, and you can like literally like travel with this in your purse. So I feel like these are so good for stuff like that, I didn't think this was gonna be that pigmented, but it is. So here we are. Oh, my brows are kind of dirty. I need to clean it up. They're not dirty, but they're kind of growing like right here, if you can tell. Yep, need to clean that up. So this is a little bit higher than I wanted to go, but it's all good. I don't necessarily want to do a cut crease, but we'll see. I'm just gonna cut in this a little bit. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out, this look. Oop, I don't want this base. I don't want this base. But I'm so tired. I didn't even work along there today, but today was like at work, so I was like, I gotta come record because this is like when I'm having a bad day, I can just come to this and I feel better. Okay, again, I still have no idea what look I'm doing. I'm just like going with it. This is what? This is a Y210 from Makeup by Yolondo. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this shade, and we're just gonna put this like right here. I'm gonna go back to this a little bit, and then I'm just gonna tap the edges. And I don't know what to put in the beginning. Maybe some pink or light purple. Let's do some light purple. This is a 217, and then we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this like right here. Oh, this is coming out more pinky than purple. And I'm just buffing this out to make it look seamless. This is not wet. I don't know what's going on with this look. I'm just cleaning this up a little bit. And in my inner corners, this is L16. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put this in my inner corner. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna clean up my eye, nicely. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done, and I know eye look is bright and these lashes are huge, but you know what? So we're just gonna go with the flow. Go with the flow. So today I'm gonna do my little look that I've been doing that I like. So we're gonna use two concealers. First I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, 16-hour Camo, and this is what shade 10 Sand. And we're gonna put this right here. And we're gonna leave it right here. And I'm also gonna put this right here. Right here. And right here. Like so. And now I'm gonna go in with my Can't Stop One Stop from NYX, which is kind of more of like a yellowy shade, and I'm gonna go here with this, like right here. It looks like it's the same shade, but I promise you guys it's not. And I'm gonna bring it right here, like so. I know I'm doing the most. So the reason why I'm doing that is I want the brighter shade kind of focus more in my inner corner and not necessarily in my entire face. I have this giant pimple right here. I don't know why I'm breaking out like in my old age. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my, how you call this, my contour. I'm gonna use this again. I know this is so dark, and this is the iconic London face palette. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna try not to go in with too much, because I feel like that's enough, and that's enough, like so, and that's that. I might take off my earrings because I feel like it's in the way. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is from Krung. It's a C507. And which foundation are we using today? Which foundation? You know what's crazy? I did not prime today. I did not prime, but it's fine. And I'm gonna use my 24-hour Born This Way. And then I'm just gonna put it kind of like where I did not put contour or concealer. I feel like when you do this, you use so much less of your products, and we blend. First, I'm gonna go in with my E34 and we're gonna blend this like so. And we're just gonna do the same thing with this. Oh, let me put a little lip gloss. This is my Lawless. Forget the filler. That don't do anything for me, but it feels good, so that's why I put it on. Feel good. No, that's not even the same thing. And we're gonna blend this concealer. This is my sleek brush. And this, as you see, the one on my chin will not budge. But you know, it's fine, you can just add more. So this concealer from e.l.f. is drying really fast, so don't leave it. You understand what I'm saying? It is perfectly fine even if you look crazy like this. So now I'm gonna take just a big old powder brush and we're just gonna go to town. And it's still creasing, so now I remember why I stayed away from the e.l.f. concealer. It is creasing like crazy. So let's go ahead and set it because it's doing the most. So let's set it quickly. I'm gonna use my Nikia Joy powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my micro smooth powder for the rest of my face. But I was giving my hair a break from the wigs, so I'm like, okay, let me do braid. I think these are like passion twists. Took me forever, but and I recruited my husband. Poor guy. But you know, that's when you know you have the best mate, when you can recruit him to help you do nonsense in your hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump in and let's go ahead and put a little bit of my base in my waterline, or my lower lash line, sorry. Yep, let this just set for a little bit. While it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in my face and I'm gonna bronze my face. But I'm already ready to take this off because it's starting to itch. So I'm gonna do my prime powders today. We're gonna go in, I think I'm gonna go in with, which one is the darkest? I think this one is the darkest. So we're gonna go into Glow Coast first. And I'm just gonna like just bronze with it. And this is from Prime Beauty. Perfect. And now we're gonna go in with my Alleyoop brush, and now we're gonna go into a darker shade, which is Bronzeville. Okay, and let this dry a little bit, and now we're gonna jump in the lower lash line. Well, not in it, but to it. To it. Gonna go to it. And you know the shadows are good if you have very little fallout in purple shades, because purple shades is a lot of fun. So, and now I'm gonna go into that lighter purple that I put in the middle, and then that lighter shade. So I'm gonna go into this shade, and I'm just gonna put that right here. So let's see what we're gonna put in the waterline. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. My time is also almost up. This jumbo stick from NYX. I can use that for my white shade because I want something white for my water. I think it has to be white, but I can't find it. And this is just a NYX jumbo eye pencil. Let's use Rosy Cheeks from MAC, and this is a M462 from Morphe. Ooh, I feel like I definitely went too rosy, but it's okay, we'll fix it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this loose diamond from Makeup by Yolondo, and this shade is Water Glow. I'm gonna use Dark Out from MAC. What is this? This is Duchess from Sugar Peel. Yep. Now let's dust off this powder. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of glow water from Fresh. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun again. I picked up these palettes. I actually have two, the Beach Balm, and which is the greenish kind of stuff, and then this other shade or other, yeah, palette. So yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said.